What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into something truly transformative. You know that feeling when you see others absolutely crushing it in the investment game? It's like they're on a different level, right? They're buying those dream properties, retiring early, and living life on their own terms. It's the kind of freedom we all dream about. Ever wonder how they do it? What sets them apart from the rest of us? It's a question that has intrigued many. It's not magic, guys, it's about mastering the right strategies. Strategies that anyone can learn with the right guidance and dedication. Want to invest like a pro? Imagine having the knowledge and confidence to make smart investment decisions. Here are 15 success secrets that can change your financial game forever. These tips are designed to help you achieve the financial freedom you've always wanted. So, let's get started and unlock your potential. Look, you wouldn't buy a house without checking the foundation, right? Same goes for investing. Before you drop a single dollar, you need to understand what you're getting into. That means researching the company, the market, the trends, everything. Knowledge is power, people. Remember that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's a timeless piece of advice that applies to more than just eggs. Well, it's cliché for a reason. When it comes to investing, this principle is crucial. Diversifying your portfolio is like having a financial safety net. It helps you manage risk and protect your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even geographically. This means not just focusing on stocks, but also considering bonds, real estate, and other opportunities. This way, if one area takes a hit, your entire portfolio won't crumble. For instance, if the stock market dips, your investments in bonds or real estate can help balance the impact. Diversification is not just about spreading risk, it's about maximizing potential returns. By having a well-rounded portfolio, you can take advantage of growth in different sectors and regions. So remember, a diversified portfolio is a strong portfolio. It's your best bet for long-term financial health and stability. What are you even investing for? A down payment on a house? Early retirement? Having clear financial goals is like having a roadmap to success. Write them down, make them specific, and, most importantly, make them realistic and achievable. Chapter 4. Patience, patience, patience. The stock market is like a roller coaster, it has its ups and downs. But here's the thing, if you're in it for the long haul, those short-term dips don't really matter. Don't panic sell when things get rough. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Chapter 5. Learn from your mistakes. Listen, everyone makes mistakes, especially when it comes to investing. The key is to not let those mistakes define you. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity in disguise. Chapter 6. Stay updated. The financial world is constantly changing. New trends emerge, regulations shift, and the market throws curveballs. Stay informed. Follow financial news, listen to podcasts, and keep learning. Knowledge is your best defense against unexpected surprises. Chapter 7. Seek advice from the pros. Hey, even seasoned investors rely on experts. Don't be afraid to consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance, help you navigate complex situations, and keep you on track to reach your goals. Think of it as an investment in your financial future. Chapter 8. Know your risk tolerance. Investing isn't one size fits all. Your risk tolerance, how much volatility you can stomach, is crucial. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Understanding your risk profile will help you make smarter investment decisions. Chapter 9. Play the long game. Remember those get-rich-quick schemes you see online? Yeah, they're usually too good to be true. Building wealth takes time and patience. Focus on long-term growth and resist the urge to chase short-term gains. Slow and steady wins the race. Chapter 10. Automate your investments. Want to make investing effortless? Automate it. Set up regular contributions to your investment accounts, even if it's just a small amount. This set-it-and-forget-it approach will help you build wealth consistently over time, without even thinking about it. Chapter 11. Review and adjust. Your investment portfolio isn't something you set up and forget about. It's a living, breathing thing that needs regular checkups. Review your portfolio at least once a year, or more frequently if needed, to make sure it's still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Chapter 12. Don't let emotions rule. Fear and greed are powerful emotions, especially when it comes to money. But letting them dictate your investment decisions is a recipe for disaster. Stay rational, stick to your plan, and don't let short-term market fluctuations derail your long-term goals. Hey, who doesn't love saving money on taxes? Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs can significantly boost your investment returns. Talk to a financial advisor to see which options are right for you. Don't overcomplicate things. Index funds and ETFs are like the superheroes of the investing world. They offer instant diversification, low fees, and often outperform actively managed funds. They're a great option for both beginners and experienced investors. The world of investing is constantly evolving. New technologies, investment strategies, and market trends are always emerging. Make it a habit to continuously educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and follow industry experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. So there you have it, my friends. We've journeyed through the essential strategies and insights that can transform your investment approach. 15 powerful secrets to help you invest like a pro. These aren't just tips, they're tried and tested methods used by successful investors worldwide. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a tool for anyone who wants to take control of their financial destiny. It's for anyone willing to put in the time and effort to build a secure financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these principles can guide you. Now go out there, make smart choices, and stay informed. The financial world is always evolving, and staying updated is key. Watch your money grow as you apply these strategies consistently. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies in the investment journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. We're here to help you navigate the world of finance with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching.